Yeah, okay. So you can take your book on the page number 178. There is examination practice given type 1 question type. So these are the fill-ups. Fill in the blanks choosing the most appropriate words from the given options. And this is a format type question which will be asked in the section B of your question paper in English grammar. Present and past we have completed all the exercises. Correct now? Regarding tenses if I talk, we have filled it up. These exercises are filled. We filled 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14 I gave as homework and I think so you have done also. Done or not? Not done. Divyanshi, did you do it or not? I did. Okay, good. And after that, the exercises are given some more on the basis of future. And I think so you are aware with the rules of future, all the rules. Future indefinite, continuous, perfect or perfect continuous. So I think so you must have done that also. Not. Okay, but you can go for that because these all things we have studied already. But if you have doubts regarding any of the exercise, that exercise we can take here. And do you have any doubts regarding that syllabus or any topics which are provided? Okay, then we carry on because these are the exam practice questions which will be asked in the form of like fill in the blanks with the options given, errors or omission. You may be asked to rewrite the sentence by correcting it, reorderings, these all things. So this question is what? Fill in the blanks choosing the appropriate words from the given options. Options are given here. So what it is saying, the very first, the status of Oman in India, blank, a gradual change. What will come? Options are here. Undergo. The status of woman in India, undergo. No, we cannot say undergo. Undergoes. This is singular. Is undergoing. The status of woman in India is undergoing a gradual change. Is undergoing or has undergone. What will come? The status of woman in India has undergone a gradual change. जा चुका है. Correct ना? So what will come? The status of woman in India has undergone a gradual change. Earlier woman dashed to the house. Earlier woman, option first, confined, confines, was confined, were confined. What will come? Correct. Earlier women were confined to the house. Means they were connected to the household works only. They dash after the household affairs only. They dash. First option looks, looked or had looked. What will come? They had looked. What will come? They looked or they had looked. They looked after the household affairs only. But now they were confined out of the threshold of the houses. They looked, that is our option second. They looked after the household affairs only. But now they dash off the threshold of the house and dash shoulder to shoulder with man. But now they, yeah, correct, because now means we are talking about present. But now they are stepping out of the threshold of the house and dash shoulder to shoulder with man. Options are what? Work, are working, have worked, have been working, and are working shoulder to shoulder with man. Okay, option number second, and are working shoulder to shoulder with men. While this, while this dash a good sign and an indication of their emancipation, yet it has led to a number of problems in the family. So what will come here? While this is a good sign, are good sign, has been good sign, or will be a good sign. What? Yeah, correct. While this is a good sign and an indication of their emancipation, yet it has led to a number of problems in the family. Means they can't give time to their children because they are going to offices and working. So like this type of problems come. Second one, drug addiction dash a serious problem and the reason for it dash not difficult to find. So what will come from the options? Drug addiction has become Drug addiction has become a serious problem and the reasons for it dash not difficult to find. Yeah, because these are the reasons, plural. Subject is what? Plural. Hey, from somewhere's mic that someone's mic sound is coming, noise. Yeah. So the reasons are, because reasons is a plural subject. So what will come here? Reasons for it are not difficult to find. The home environment dash a major contributory factor. The home environment is, am, are, or being. Is, because the home environment is one for everyone. The home environment is a major contributory factor. Modern life dash very hectic. Modern life has become very hectic. Hectic means very much busy. When both the parents dash working hands. When both the parents, yeah, correct, are working hands, they dash spare time for their children. What will come? They do not find, they do not find, or they are not finding, or they had not found. What will come? Yeah, because we are talking this complete parent present tense only. We started from present perfect. Correct now? So what will be used here? नहीं मिलता है. They do not find. They do not find spare time for their children. Lonely youngsters try to experiment with drugs. The parents realize the fact only when children become drug addicts. Fill all? Yeah. So then next one, third one. Last Sunday, our school dashed for the summer vacation. Last Saturday, our school, what will come here? Last Saturday, because the action has been done in the previous day, the past. So second form will be used. Last Saturday, our school closed for the summer vacation. My brother Ashish, who dash in a who dash in a hostel in Gwalior, dash by the Shatabdi Express, who lived in a hostel or stayed. Options are stays, stayed, will stay, or will be staying. Stayed or stays. What will come? First form or second form? My brother Ashish, who stayed in a hostel in Gwalior. What will come? Who stayed in a hostel in Gwalior dash by the Shatabdi Express. What will come in the next? Comes, came, was coming, had come. What will come? came by the Shatabdi Express. Okay. My brother Ashish, who stayed in a hostel in Gwalior, came by the Shatabdi Express. Mother dash me to go to the railway station and dash him up. Mother told me, that is the option number second. Mother told me to go to the railway station and dash him up. Pick, picked, is picking or will pick? Sure. Yeah. So, mother told me to go to the railway station and option first, pick him up. I dashed my scooter and left. I take, will take, am taking or took. I took my scooter and left. Next, fourth one. Last Saturday, our school dress up fete. The options are given on the next page. Okay na? So this you will attempt yourself. Fourth one, you will attempt yourself. Attempt yourself. Okay? Then we go on to the next on the page number 179. Fifth one, day by day, pollution dash a very serious problem in our country. So day by day pollution options are become, is becoming, has become or became. Is becoming a very serious problem in our country because day by day means every day it is increasing. Correct now? Day by day means what? It is increasing every day. All our important cities dash to be most populated. All our important cities, option first, are found to be most populated, are being found to be most populated, have been found, or found to be most populated. Very good. All our important cities are found to be most populated. Smaller industrial towns dash also populated. R. Why R will come here? Towns is yeah, correct. Plural form it is. Smaller industrial towns are also polluted. Two major areas of pollution dash air and water. Two major areas of pollution are air and water. Option number third. Air pollution dash that there dash no pure air to breathe in and this results in a lot of health problems. Air pollution means air pollution means because it is singular. Air pollution means that there dash no pure air. That there is am are or has been. Has been cannot come there. Can has been come here. There has been no pure air to breathe in and this results in a lot of health problems. What will come? Tell what will come. There is no pure air or there has been no pure air. Is will come, yeah. There is no pure air to breathe in and this results in a lot of health problems. Next, sixth one. An incident of robbery dash place a few days ago when I dash by train. An incident of robbery, an incident of robbery. Options are what? Take, takes, took, will take. So I think so he is telling about the incident. And incident took place in past. An incident of robbery took place a few days ago when I dashed by train. When I traveled, was traveling, or had traveled by train. What is that? When I was traveling by train. In the running train, two persons dash our compartment. In the running train, two persons enter, enter, entered, or entered our compartment. They dash their faces with black clothes. They they were covering their faces with black clothes. They dash revolvers and daggers. They were carrying revolvers and daggers. Because options are what? They carry. Carry cannot come. They carried. They carried. No, they were carrying because these ammunition was along with them only. So they were carrying revolvers and daggers. One of them dashed near the linking door. One of them stand, stands cannot come present. Stand, it is singular, one of them, and it is going in past. So what will come? Stood. One of them stood near the linking door. Okay. Regarding examination, the copies you have to send in the form of PDF. Don't forget to mention your name and page number on the images. When you are writing on the A4 size paper, which type of paper you will use for writing? Do you know that? A4 size paper. Yeah. A4 size paper you will use for writing. And that you will keep in the form of PDF. Mention page number on that. Okay. Seventh one. Yesterday, yesterday I dash by a bus. Yesterday I travel, or I had traveled by a bus. What will come? Yesterday I traveled, travels, was traveling or had traveled. Yesterday I was traveling by a bus. Sure, are you sure about this? Okay. Yesterday I was traveling by a bus. But if we go for the option, yesterday I had traveled by a bus. So this is also a correct because the action was started in the past and it got ended in the past only. So that's why had travel can also be used here. Next, the bus dashed from Red Fort to Mandi House. The bus run, runs, was running, will run. What will come? The bus was running. Good morning, Shubh. You came very early, boy. How are you? Fine. Not good. And what about your studies? Is grammar prepared or not for the examination? Which topic is not prepared? Today you see the topic and you send me which topic is not prepared. Okay. 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 So you take your book on the page number 179. We are going through the exercise work. That is the examination practice 1 exercise type 1 questions. Okay na? Examination practice 1 type 1 questions and this only we are doing. So you can take your book on the page number 179. Shall we carry on? And all. So yesterday I was traveling by a bus. The bus dashed from the Red Fort to Mandi House. The bus was running from the Red Fort to Mandi House. When the bus dash ITO, it dash overcrowded. When the bus reaches, reached or will reach. When the bus reached, we are talking in the past. Yeah. When the bus reached ITO, it dash overcrowded. To get, got or will get. Got. Yeah, correct. Because get, got, gotten. And when we are going in past, we use second form. So it got overcrowded. Many commuters dash the entrance. Many commuters block, were blocking, had been blocking. Yeah, correct. Many commuters had blocked the entrance, and some dash on the footboard, and some stand stood, and some were standing on the footboard. Suddenly the bus stopped with a jerk. Completed? Yeah. So I think so eighth one, this also you will attempt yourself. Attempt yourself, okay? And if anywhere any doubt, then you can ask in that, no problem. We will go for two more, 9 and 10. When Queen Victoria dashed into Buckingham Palace in 1837, a detachment of the Queen's Foot Guard dashed position there. So what will come? When Queen Victoria moved, moving, was moving, or had moved. When Queen Victoria had moved into Buckingham Palace in 1837, a detachment of the Queen's Foot Guard dashed position there. Takes position there, took position there, had taken position there, or was taking position there. Correct. A detachment of the Queen's Foot Guard took position there. The tradition of stillness, movement, and change of guards dash since then. The tradition of stillness, movement, and change of guards was maintained, here been maintained, had been maintained, has been maintained, has been maintained since then, has been maintained since then. Particular time you know, 1837. Definite time you know, na? So what you will see, you will go for the perfect. Has been maintained. In the passive form it is going. Correct now? We are having a definite object here, so we can go for the perfect tense. This is what it indicating. And since word indicates the definite time period in which particular time we are talking about. Okay? Then the guards dash still for a while, then come to attention, dash their weapons, and march to another position. The guards dash still for a while. The guard stood, stand, was standing, stand, no, stood. The guard stood still for a while when they come to attention. Dash their weapons, shouldering their weapons, were shouldering, shoulder or shouldered. Shouldering their weapons. They are hanging it on now when they are walking also or they are marching, then also the weapons they are having on their shoulder. So what will come here? Shouldering, yeah, correct. They dash, sorry, then come to attention, shouldering their weapons and march to another position. March means moving, walking, na? They dash to smile either, although mischievous tourists often tease them and try to get them to smile. Means they are not smiling, but tourists try to make them smile. So they dash, they are not at all allowed. They are allowed, they were not allowed, or they allowed. What will come? They were not allowed, or they are not at all allowed. What will come? They are not at all allowed, or they were not allowed. Yeah, they were not allowed will come. Why? The reason is that because we are talking about the past, and we started from past perfect. So when we are linking to the past only, so we cannot use are here. What will come? Were not allowed. Okay, next 10th one. A 50-year-old man dash and six others dash when the van in which they dash overturned after colliding with a truck early morning yesterday. Very big sentence, yeah? Okay. A 50-year-old man was killed, has been killed, or was killing. A 50-year-old man was killed and six others dash when the van in which they. What will come here? Dash injured, were injured, have been injured, or was injured. A 50-year-old man was killed and six others were injured when the van in which they dash traveled, had traveled, were traveling, or have traveled, in which they were traveling, overturned. What will come? Were traveling, overturned after colliding with a truck early morning yesterday. Soon after the incident, a huge crowd dashed on the spot. A huge crowd gathered on the spot and dashed the driver of the truck. Yeah, okay. A huge crowd gathered on the spot and dashed beating the driver of the truck. And started or had started beating the driver of the truck. Hey, just a second. Yeah, okay, correct. They also dashed the other vehicles who had damaged, damaged, or have damaged. They also damaged the other vehicles. Phil, any doubt in this? Anyone? Any doubt in this? Okay, good. So then next, again one more. So you got total three. He's saying no, sir. What no, sir? Oh, no doubt. I thought he's saying no. What happened? Okay. So that was a little fun. Fine. So this 11 one also you can do yourself. You have to attempt it. Okay. So which we I gave you for doing fourth, eighth, and the 11th one. These three you have to do yourself. Next one that is given on the page number 181. Is it visible now? Book is given. अभी ठीक आ जाएगी. One of the defects of our civilization dash that it dash what to do with its. One of the defects of our civilization is am, are, or will be. It is talking about one of the defects. So is that it dash, it do not know, it does not know, it did not know, or it will not know. What to do with it? Sure. Or do not will come. Does not. Why does not will come? Yeah, because it is a singular subject. It does not know what to do with it. First one is, second one does not know. Science SV dash has given us powers fit for gods, yet we dash them like small children. Science, as we see, saw, have seen, or will see, this will come. We have seen has given us powers fit for God. This cannot come. Have seen. Have seen can also come here, na? Tell me. Have seen or see. What will come? What will come? Tell others. I'm asking to all. What will come? See or have seen. See will come or have seen will come. Signs as we see or have seen. If we use have seen, then the action will be indicated in the past. And we are talking in the present. So, signs as we see. Science, as we see, has given us powers fit for gods, yet we dash them like small children. Yet we, correct. Yet we use them like small children. For example, we dash how to manage our machines. We do not know, does not know, did not know, or will not know. It's very simple. We do not know how to manage our machines. Machines were made to be man's servants, but today it's just opposite to that. Correct now. We are machine slave. Mobile is not our slave. Mobile is not our servant. But we can slave, we are the slaves of mobile. Mobile can live without us. But now today if we see we cannot live without mobile. Because all the activities, whatever we do, from buying, selling, working, studying, searching, payments, all the things we do on mobile. So it is just opposite what is being written here. So machines were made to be man's servants, yet he dashed so dependent on them that they dash in a fair measure to become his masters. Yet he grow, grew, is growing, has grown, is growing or has grown. Again, two options. What will come? See, grow will not come, grew will not come. Is growing or has grown? Or has grown. He has grown so dependent on that. Read further also, maybe you can get some more further meaning. That they dash in a fair measure. That they are fair in a measure to be his master. Now, we got a hint also. Now you tell, what will come here? Yet he is growing or has grown. Tell, yet he has grown. Yet he has grown so dependent. We are very much dependent on them that they are in a fair measure to become his masters. Okay, fine. Next 13th one. Student indiscipline dash a curse of our times. Student indiscipline become becomes is becoming or has become a curse of our times. Correct. Student indiscipline is becoming a curse of our times. Fear of unemployment dash mainly responsible for frustration. Fear of is, was, are, or is being. Fear of unemployment is mainly responsible for frustration. Politics dash educational institutions. Politics enter. entered, is entering, has entered. Politics has entered. It has entered. Has entered can also come here.